Carpenter, if you be carpenter, believe in yourself. If you be tailor, believe in yourself.
Donkey ball.
If you be lawyer, believe in yourself.
Báwo ṣé o ti parí mọ́tò nígbà?
Believe in yourself. If you
Mo mí pé mechanic mi kò parí ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. My God. Well, okay, I'm so sorry. Tí o bá ṣe pé wọ́n tó gbà mí lẹ̀ báwo ni o bá ṣe move around? If not for your car. Ọ̀rẹ́, báwo ni mo ṣe máa ṣe gbogbo appointment mi? I would not even do half of it, but you know, ó ṣe gan. Tí bá ní kí n máa pray fún ẹ báyìí pẹ̀lú màmá jáde. So báwo ló ṣe délé? Taxify. Ṣé kò ṣáà rẹ̀ jù? You're just one good friend I don't want to miss. Thank you. Only God knows what will happen to me today. Tí o bá ṣe pé mọ́tò ẹ tí mo rí lò. Mo mọ̀ ọ́ lórí o. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Oh, mo ní kí n kí ẹ náà ní jàre. I thought there was a call, but ìyẹn ò necessary jàre. Mo máa pè yín padà. No, bọ̀bọ́ ẹ̀ ni. Kìlọ̀ mi má sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ lọ. I said I will return his call. All right then. Okay, yeah, man. Show mine to all I will return his call. She both no man his calls. I am so lower. Do you? After all, it's your life we're talking about here. You got feelings for your friend. Correct. Then let him know. Let him know. It's nobody's business. It's you. Chirai. Bóyá ẹni tó ń pè ní boyfriend kò ní end up láti fẹ́. You don't know. Or wá lọ lose ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀. Tó jẹ́ pé ẹ ti jọ ọ̀rẹ́ èèyàn gan ló yẹ kéèyàn fẹ́ ni. Yeah, he already take care of you. Tó bá need nǹkan, kó tó ṣẹ́jú pẹ́rẹ́ báyìí ó ti dọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. He knows what you feel like. He's even more of a friend. Yes, more than a friend is tibitibi. Jẹ́jú anybody má wò ó. Jẹ́ṣẹ́ yẹn tó bá wú ẹ̀ jẹ́ ó yẹ bó nǹkan ẹ̀. Kò séèyàn tó máa ń bíyàn sí. You're an adult. Ta ló fẹ́ máa bá rojọ́? Gbogbo ọkàn ẹni mo mọ̀ ó ṣe ó sìn gbọ̀nlẹ̀ ó dúdú. Kíní yẹn gan wàá mọ bóyá rí. Ó ti yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀. And it's a free world. Ṣó ti sanwó kò tí kún kankan lọ sílé yín náà. Ṣé lè tó jẹ́ pé akágàn ni? Kò ní rántí birthday, kò ní fún ẹ ní gift. The other day, he gave you his car to use. Kò tí ẹ kí ẹ mọ̀. That's feelings. It's you understand ara yín, yẹn lè bára yín mu. So you've told so many people it's just your friend, it's just your friend. Maybe he loves you more than his girlfriend. Má lọ lose ẹ o. Do you? Ṣe nǹkan tó wù ẹ́. Ṣọ fẹ́ ṣe anything fún ẹ ni. Má lọ fọ́ o. Ní tèmi, Olúwa ló ni mí. I would rather keep him as my friend than lose him as a soulmate. My boyfriend got his flaw. I have my flaws too. I think it's gonna be a good thing to keep my friend as my soulmate and my fiancé as my fiancé. If it works, it works. If it will not, it won't be from me. my friendship shouldn't affect my relationship. And I should have some kind of respect for either of them. Ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ lọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ pa ẹnìkejì mi lára. Tálẹ̀ ẹnìkejì mi. My sweetheart. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ó yẹ kí n máa bọ́lá fún. It's a beautiful day. Like, are you with me? Guess what? I'm just coming in and you're cooking me. Thank you. And yourself? Ibola today? Really? That's fast. Not bad. Yeah. I like the streams. Akara. And you didn't get that from me. Promise? Thank you. Oh shit. Mo like ọ̀jọ̀jọ̀. Mommy àdùfẹ́ náà máa ń dín yẹn náà. Pamílẹ̀ máa bá mi get ẹ̀kọ́. Okay, fẹ́ràn mi dẹ̀ lè get ẹ o. Okay, ṣé mommy àríyọ̀? A lè jẹ ẹ́ náà mò ń jẹ. Alright, thank you, baby. Alright. Mi gbọ́ yẹn o. There's a thin line between friendship and courtship. Ìyàtọ̀ tó pọ̀ ló wà ní àlàfo tó lọ gbọọrọ láàrin ìbánidọ́rẹ̀ẹ́ alábàárìn àti ọkọ ilé àbí aya. Yes, it is very okay to have cordiality and comfort in friendship with opposite sex. But there should be a limit to mixed feelings. You can't expect that your friend is going to act the whole of human being, him or her, to you as the same as your partner. Because your partner got a goal, and the goal is forever. This is somebody who is trying to study you for forever trip. And your friend is going to be forever, but the intimacy, the characters he or she is going to tolerate from you got no deep impact. For example, you don't have to see your friend every day. And if you do not see him every other day, it might not be that painful, so you talk on phone. You don't expect that your babe, your wife, your fiancé, your guy, your husband is going to feel the same with that. Oh, it's okay, she don't have time to talk to me now, and we're going to talk some other time. Hello, he got feelings, she got feelings for you. Some school of thought, married, believes, but if fair none, I've got a man told me, O.T, do you think women still need attention after marriage? Why don't I marry those people I was giving attention? So it's okay for him to, flirt with other ladies and men and, have men things to do. But kíyàwó ẹ̀ máa gbófo nílé, kó kàn ṣáà máa jẹun, kàn máa, just no discussion, no time out, kò sí pé òun gbé lọ holiday mọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ń gbà yẹn. You aren't doing it no more. Time and conversation. Keep the goal going. But tẹ́rẹ́ bá ti ń di eré ipá jù ọkàn yìí kò lè gùn o èṣù lè kọ́lé sínú ẹ̀ àwa máa fi kékeré wa máa fi díwọ̀n ní ńlá àwa máa wo bí àyànfẹ́ olúwa mi ṣe ń fi báńkì dí bọ̀bọ̀ ẹ̀ so and you don't even have to pick on your partner ọkùnrin náà máa ń ṣe tó bá jẹ́ pé ọ̀rẹ́ òun obìnrin even it could be their own girlfriend because it's men's word in a way everywhere not only in Africa yeah over there they cheat too so don't comparison between your friends and your girlfriend your fiance and your boyfriend that way you need to go and check are you falling in love already because you could be in love with your friend, but on a platonic level, you know, not like getting feelings to get too attached. Hello, he got his own girlfriend or wife. She got a husband too. So we should put moderation, and that way, the friendship is alabari and not something else. If your soulmate is becoming a topic to distract the purpose of your go with your man or woman. I don't think it's soulmate no more. You're flexing. Yes. Onyali. And then the other guy may not put in mind that they want to do you. But the way you throw at your friend and you report, it's not everything you even want to discuss about you're my boyfriend, you want to keep asking me about my husband, I'll tell you, oh, I have reservations. Have reservations. Don't always use every opportunity to discuss your partner with your friend. You do not have any iota of respect for your partner. I can't do it to you, so don't do it to me. When you start doing it to me, I warn you, the first time, the second time, the third time, man, I would have a rethink. Are we together again?
If you be banker, believe in yourself. You can do all things. I'm on the mountaintop. I'm a star girl. I can act, cause I'm an actor. I'm the best in the game. I am so skillful. I read my script to the letter, cause I'm a professional.